Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Check whether a language is regular or not. Check whether a language is regular or not. Check whether a language is regular or so first language I am giving you is a to the power n greater than equal to 1. Now tell me whether it is a regular language or not. A to the power n greater than equal to 1. Yeah, for this language we can give a fa. It is like a plus. It is saying that it is having a, then a2, then a3, then a4, then a5. And for a language, if we are able to give a regular expression, then also it is a regular. Because why? Because we give a regular expression only for a regular language. So if we are even able to give a regular expression, then also we can say that it is a regular. And see, whenever you are having a symbol, this is a single symbol which is repeating. And if you see, the length of the string are growing in AP. The common difference here 1, 1. See, the common difference is 1, 1, 1. So whenever the string length increase in AP, then you can say that that language is regular. Since these are the shortcut I am saying you. For a language, if you are able to give a regular expression, then also it's a regular. Because we know that we only give a regular expression for a regular language. And now if a single string are increasing, whenever in GATE exam they will give you single string, just check the length, how it is increasing. If the length are increasing in AP, then you can say that that language is regular. Okay, that language is regular. So let me give you another example. If I give you like a to the power p is a prime. Okay, p is a prime. It is a single string. Now check. Prime start from 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11. Yeah, AP, arithmetic progression, not Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now see, length here is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. It is not increasing in AP. It is not increasing in AP. So it is not a regular language. It is not a regular language. It is not a regular language. Okay. A regular language. This way you will check. Power n, b to the power n, nm greater than equal to 1. A to the power n, b to the power n, nm greater than equal to 1. बताइए इसके लिए क्या होगा? A to the power n, b to the power n, nm greater than equal to 1. Whether it is a regular or not, it is a plus b plus, because a value is greater than equal to 1. So first any number of a will come, then any number of b will come. So for this language, even we have constructed a finite automata in our class. Okay, a to the power n, b to the power m. Fine. Now next one is your a to the power n, b to the power n smaller than equal to 10 to the power 10 to the power 10 to the power 10. Now tell me whether it is a regular language or not. A to the power n, b to the power n. Tell me whether it is a regular language or not. Why it is regular? Because it's a finite language. Why? Because it's bounded. N is bounded. If I'll see a to the power n, b to the power n is smaller than equal to 2, means n value will go from 0 to 2. So when 0, then epsilon, then AB, then A2, B2. So similarly, it will go and it will stop somewhere. Since the language is finite, so it is a regular language. Very good. a to the power n, b to the power n, n greater than equal to 1. किसी का डाउट रहेगा तो बोलिएगा. If anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Now tell me whether it is a regular or not. A to the power n, b to the power n, n greater than equal to 1. यहाँ पे बोल रहा है पहले a आएगा फिर b आएगा. So first a will come, then b will come, and the restriction is it is having equal number of a and equal number of b. Okay, means it is having ab, then a2 b2, then a3 b3, then a4 b4, and for this kind of language we will not able to give a fa, because here the number of a should be equal to number of b and it is infinite language. So here we are not having a pattern. It is saying that number of a, number of b should be equal. How we will count the number of a? How we will count? If we'll keep on drawing like this, we will not able to stop somewhere, because here a is increasing, and after a we have to say how many a's we got. So how we can do? We will not able to give a fa. Will not. If it will be finite language, then only we can able to give a fa. Am I clear? Because here number of a, number of b are equal. So it is not a regular language. Not a regular language. Because here we have to count number of a and number of b. So infinite counting is not possible in case of regular language. Clear है सभी को? Now next, WWR, length of W is equal to 2 and W belongs to any combination of a comma b. Now tell me whether it is a regular language or not. So it means W is any string whose length is equal to 2 and having any combination of a comma b. So W is having any combination of a comma b, length should be 2, so it is having a, ab, ba, bb. Then WR is the reverse of W. WR is the reverse of the W. So WR is the reverse. So A reverse is A, AB reverse is BA, BA reverse is AB, and BB reverse is BB. So this language is again a finite language. Since it is a finite language, so it is a, whenever the language is finite, it is a regular language. Now next is the number L equal to WWR. Now W belongs to AB star, any combination of A comma B, but now the restriction is not that length should be equal to 2. It's saying that first W will come, then W reverse will come. Now you have to tell me whether it is a regular language or not. WR is the reverse, not regular. Okay, its number is 7. Now see, here it is saying first W will come, then W reverse will come, and W will have any combination of A comma B. Means W you can have ABA, then WR is going to AA, BA. Now to check whether after WR is coming or not, you have to store W. You have to store W, and W can take anything, ABB, A, B, AB, AB, AA. So to store all this infinite number of A, we are not having infinite memory in FA. We are having only a finite memory. That's why we are saying that for a finite language we can give a finite automata. So for this kind of language we will not able to give a FA. See, for this kind of language, if FA will have a stack, and if it is unbounded from the top, okay, means no fixed size of the stack is not fixed, then we can say that it is an infinite memory. Then we will able to recognize that this language. How? When W will come, I will put in the stack. Okay, I'll put in the stack. So when A will come, everyone know the property of a stack? Anyone? I assume that everyone know the property of a stack. If anyone don't know, then they can comment. So what I will do, when W will come, I will put in the stack. Means I will push it, A, then B, then A. And you know that after W, WR is going to come. It's like A, BA. Okay, reverse. So whatever string you will get in the reverse, that will in the top. A, then A, pop, match, then A, then A. top is pointing match, then now top is pointing here. Whatever you will get, you will see here. Whatever you will get, you will see here. Because you know that if a stack is having a property of reverse, means it will reverse if you will insert something in the, means you will put something in the stack, and if you will pop out, it will give you the reverse thing. See, a b b a, then now if you pop it, means if you will delete, then you will get a, then delete a, then b a. So it is having a reverse property, that like last in first out. Yeah, for this kind of language to recognize, we require a stack that is having infinite memory, because size is unbounded here. So for this kind of language, we will not able to give a if a. So it is not a regular language. Not a regular. First W will come, then again W will come. Tell me whether it is regular or not. What it is saying? It is saying that first W will come. It is saying that first W will come, then W reverse is going to come. Okay, first W, then W reverse. First W, not reverse, W. Okay. So for this, we have to store W, then again W will come. So we are not having a memory. See, it is saying that first W will come, then again W will come. Yeah. Not regular, because we will not able to give a FA, and here we are not having a pattern. आप लोग बताइए. नंबर दे दे के बताइएगा क्यों रेगुलर है कि नहीं. बताइए 9 क्या रेगुलर है. Yeah, 9 is regular because you can give a regular expression for this, and even if a, because it's saying n m k should be greater than equal to 1. Okay, a to the power n, then b to the power m, c to the power k. So it is a plus b plus c plus, so it is regular. So first write the string. It is I greater than equal to 1, so it is like first a plus, then j is greater than equal to 1. So then j value, if j is 1, then 2j is going to 2, then 2, then 4, then 3, then 6, then 4, then 8. So 2 to 2, 2b plus the regular expression. It is having 2, 4, 6, 8. So b2, then b4, then b6, then b8, like this it is increasing. So it is increasing as a length of AP. See, common difference is 2. So it is a regular language. It's a regular because we are able to give a regular expression. First a plus, because any number of a I greater than, then 2j is greater than equal to 1. So when j is 1, then 2j is 2. When j is 2, then 4, then 3, then 6, means it is increasing in AP. It is increasing in AP, and even we can give a regular expression. We will see whether a single symbol, whether it is increasing in AP or not. It is increasing in AP. You can give a regular expression for that. So double B plus. Clear? Is regular or not? See, it is saying A I, then B 4J. Okay, so I is greater than J. So first A plus. Then similarly, it will increase. How B will increase? J, then 4J. So if J is 1, then 4, then 2, then 8, then 3, then 12. So here it is increasing in AP only. Common difference is 4. Common difference is 4. So 4B plus रेगुलर. चलिए 12 का बताइए आप लोग. e to the power n, n is even, so even means a0, then a2, a4, then a6. The length are increasing in AP, so it is a regular language. Length are increasing in AP, so it is a regular language. Here a1, then a3, then a5, then a8. Here again the length are increasing in AP, so it is a regular language. All is well. So now 14. Now again I will write some string, some language. You people first try, later I will say. A to the power n, n is prime. This already I have given, I have taken, but still. Then 15, e to the power n, n is not prime. N is not prime. then 16 per n square n greater than equal to 1. Yeah, 14 is not regular, that we have seen, not regular. Now tell me 15. 15 is saying not regular, so it is not prime. So not prime is like a0, a1, a3, a4, a6, then a8. If we see, it is not increasing in AP. Common difference here is, so common difference is here, so sorry, it should be 4, should be 4, plus 2 and 3 is also prime. Common difference here is 1, here the common difference is 3. Okay, so it is not increasing in AP, not increasing in AP, not increasing in AP, arithmetic progression. So is not a regular language, so that's why it is not a regular language. Okay, so when n is 1, let me check n square. When n is 1, get 1, 2, then 4, then 3, then 9. It should be not regular, na? Because common difference is not in AP. It is A1, then A4, then A9. It's not in AP. It is not increasing in AP. Not regular. चलिए, clear? A to the power 2n, n greater than equal to 1. Try 17. Try 17, then 18. So when n value is going to increase by 1. So when n is 1, then 2 to the power 1 is 2. When 2, then 2 to the 2 is 4. When 3, then 2 to the 3 is 8. When 4, then 16. Not increasing in AP. Not increasing in AP is having A2, then A4, then A8, then A16. Because n value will increase as 1. 1, 2, 3. When 1 and n is 1, then 2 to the n 2. When n is 2, then 2 to the 2 4. When n is 3, 2 to the 3 is 8. 4 and 16. It is not increasing in AP, so it is not regular. The perfect square. So like perfect square is having a0, you can say that, a2 you can say that, a4 4 you can say that, then a1 you can, here you can say 1. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर क्या हो गया, 1 हो गया, 4 हो गया, 9 हो गया, 1 4 then 9 then 16 then 25. तो यहाँ पे स्ट्रिंग लेंथ अगेन नॉट इंक्रीजिंग इन AP, so it is not a break. क्लियर है? If all the string length, are in AP, then the common difference, would be kept in a loop, and the common difference could be kept in a loop, and we could iterate the we could iterate the common difference. We could iterate the common difference. We could iterate the common difference over and over again. Where GP के लिए नहीं होगा, सिर्फ AP के लिए. For GP it is not applicable. Only for AP it is applicable. All the string length are in AP, then the common difference could be kept in a loop. Okay, that's why the common difference can be kept in a loop, and we can iterate the common difference over and over. So that's why we say that it is a regular line, because whatever common difference, take one example, it was the regular, na? So A1, what is the language? A n square. Let me check. Not regular. Yeah. N is even. When it is even, when n is even, so it is having A0, then A2, then A4, then A6. The common difference is 2. We can keep a loop. We are keeping a loop of 2. Because common difference will be kept in a loop, and we could iterate the common difference over and over again. We could get the strings in the language. So this is your A plus J square. When J is your 1, J square is 1, then 4, then 3, then 9. Not increasing in AP. Not increasing in AP, so not regular. Correct. Try this 20. So it is A plus. Second, you will not able to give a not regular. सब आएंगे, धीरे धीरे हम लेवल ऊपर करते हैं, सब आएगा. पहले ही मैं हार्ड क्वेश्चन दे दूंगा तो डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा मुझे समझाने में. तो इवन आई विल गिव हार्ड क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. ठीक है, नॉट रेगुलर. चलिए अब दूसरे प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस पे जाते हैं. सो अब क्वेश्चंस में क्या रहता है, बहुत दिक्कत होती है. ठीक है, आप लोग थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा उस समय. P इज प्राइम, बताइए क्या होगा. 21. टेल मी व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द आंसर. A to the power I, B to the power P. Okay, नेक्स्ट वन इज 3 आवर में क्रिस्टल क्लियर कर देंगे. 22 is W, number of A in W equal to number of B to W belongs to combination. क्योंकि P हमारा प्राइम है, नहीं हो पाएगा. वेरी गुड. Since P is prime, we will not able to give a FA. Now 22 is saying not regular. It's not regular because counting you will not able to do now. Whatever way, how you can say that number of A is equal to 5 or B equal to 5. So number of A and number of B you will not able to say. I have told you that since we are having a finite memory, we can only count finite number of things. So it is infinite string, and in infinite string it is having a restriction that number of A, number of B should be equal. Okay, so that we will not able to do. B to the power n, B to the power n, ये नहीं बोल रहा है, ये बोल रहा है कि number of A, number of B equal होगा. It is saying that number of A, number of B are equal, and even it is saying that number of A will means always the string will start from A. Here it is not saying that it will start with A. BA is also a string which is having equal number of A and equal number of B, but your language will not able to generate that. This is different. This is different. These two are different language. Clear? So W क्या है? W is having any combination of A comma B. Okay. W क्या है, कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन है a comma b का, नंबर ऑफ a is smaller than equal to a. Here again it's saying that number of a is smaller होना चाहिए b से. Again counting we are not able to do, so it's not a regular language. Similarly this is also not a regular language because number of a greater है कि नहीं वो भी नहीं बोल पाए. ठीक है. Now your 25 w belongs to combination of a comma b, number of a in w mod 3 smaller than equal to number of b in w mod 3. बताइए ये रेगुलर है कि नहीं. इट्स ए रेगुलर लैंग्वेज even for this kind of language we have given the regular language. We know that how many states it's going to contain, 9 only. Okay, 3 into 3 9. So mod is regular. mod operation is regular. Whenever you see they are asking mod, okay, so you just say it is a regular language. Now tell me 26 everyone is saying regular, correct, it is a regular language. Okay, why? Because it's saying that here a n is greater than equal to 10, so a 10 then any number of a. Okay, a 10 first a 10 then it can have any number of a, so it's a regular language because we have given the regular expression. Clear? 7 w belongs to any combination of a comma b. Then 28 e to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, n greater than equal to 1. 20. Now tell me whether it is a regular or not. Not regular because w then w not possible. It is saying equal number of a, equal number of b, equal number of c, not possible. It is not going to be regular because saying that number of a should be equal to number of b should be equal to number of c. We can't do now, since we are not having infinite memory. For this we require infinite memory because it's infinite language. And here it's saying that number of a should be equal to number of b should be equal to number of c. So it's not a regular language. Am I clear? Next, a to the power n, b to the power n plus m, c to the power m, n m greater than equal to 1. बताइए. इसके बाद आपके टफ क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. ठीक है, अब आपका बेसिक क्लियर हो गया. अब मैं टफ क्वेश्चंस पे जाऊंगा. So you can even write this as a to the power n, b to the power n, then b to the power m, c to the power m. So it is saying that equal number of a, b, equal number of b, equal a, n power same है. Have equal a, equal b, then equal b, equal c, power same. Okay, so it's not a regular language. Okay, regular language. Clear? Correct. Everyone is correct. So give a note and write the conclusion. Whenever the question or whenever the language is about whenever the language is about whenever the language whenever the language is including, then comparing infinite string, comparing infinite string, then is not, and it is not regular, is finite, is finite, then only it is, then only is possible, then only even infinite string can be, an infinite string presented can be represented in fa if we find the find the pattern find the pattern. So the conclusion is, whenever the language is about storing and then comparing infinite string, like equal a then equal b, so first you have to store it then compare. Whenever the language is about storing and comparing infinite string, then it is not regular. If it is finite, then only it is possible. If it is finite, then storing and comparing the finite language is possible. Even infinite string can be represented in FA if we find the pattern. If we find the pattern means if it is in AP, then it is regular. Infinite string, if it is in AP, then it is regular. क्लियर है? देखिए ये कंक्लूजन है. Very important. And it is this kind of question, even this is your previous year question also. Okay, get previous year question. The language is saying first W will come, then X will come, then WR will come, and WX belongs to any combination of 0, 1 plus. First W will come, then X will come, then W reverse will come, and WX belongs to any combination of 0, 1 plus. बताइए क्या होगा? This is a regular language. Please give me the explanation how you got it. They have asked in GATE. X can eat every string. Very good. Very good. See, here, now concentrate. Now I will explain that. Here it's saying that first W will come, then X will come, then W reverse will come. And WX belongs to 0, 1 plus, means it will have any combination of 0 and 1. And since it is a plus, so length of W and X should be at least 1. At least 1. Okay. Now I am writing one string W equal to 101 and X I am writing 100, and WR then will become 101. Reverse is going to same. So in this way I have constructed 101, 100, 101. Now another someone has constructed W assuming as 1 and X assuming has taken this from second bit, they have taken 01, this 100, then it leave the last one and taken everything, and reverse is going to this only. So someone has constructed the same string by using this x1 and w1 and x011 0010 and 1 the last one. So what this person is doing, he is saying that you construct any string by any way. What I will do, I will always take the first bit as w and the last bit at the wr, and the whole thing I will consider as x, and the remaining whole thing I will consider as x. Is it clear? The whole thing is going to be, they are considering. So after the first bit, they are taking everything as x before the last bit. Before the last bit it is taking, and after the first bit it is taking everything as x. So it is like with the bit, if it will start with 1, then it will end with 1, and if it will end with 0, then it will end, if it will start with 0, then it will end with 0, because it's a reverse. 0, 1. So reverse will come, this will come at the end because it's reverse. So it's like set of all string starts and ends with same symbol. So it is starts and ends with same symbol. Okay, and in between it can have any string, and restriction is that the length of all string, the length of a string should be greater than equal to 3, because w should have at least one symbol, x should have at least one symbol, wr should have at least one symbol. It is a regular language. It is a regular language. Anyone having doubt here? So it is containing this language. It is set of all string. देखिए ये क्या है? It is set of all string. The set of all strings whose length the set of all string starts and ends with same symbol. It is set of all string starts and ends with same symbol and length of every string is greater than length of every string is greater than. यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ बोल रहा है कि पहले W आएगा, फिर X आएगा, फिर W का रिवर्स आएगा, ठीक है। तो आप कोई भी स्ट्रिंग लीजिए, देखिए हम क्या करते हैं, W X W R, आप W01 लीजिए, 10 लीजिए, 11 लीजिए, या फिर 00 लीजिए। X आप कुछ भी लीजिए, 01 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 1। रिवर्स इसमें क्या होगा, 1 0 हो जाएगा, यहाँ 0 1 हो जाएगा, यहाँ 1 1 हो जाएगा, यहाँ 0 0। देखिए जिससे स्टार्ट कर रहा है उसी से एंड हो रहा है, जिससे स्टार्ट कर रहा है उसी से एंड हो रहा है, जिससे स्टार्ट कर रहा है उसी से एंड हो रहा है, जिससे स्टार्ट कर रहा है उसी से एंड हो रहा है, क्योंकि रिवर्स है। आप इस तरह एक्स को कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, कोई और एक पर्सन है वो एक्स को हमेशा क्या कंसिडर कर रहा है, सेकेंड बिट से सेकेंड लास्ट बिट तक, सेकेंड बिट से लास्ट सेकेंड बिट तक। वो क्या करेगा, आप कोई भी स्ट्रिंग बना के उसे दीजिए, वो हमेशा फर्स्ट बिट को W कंसिडर करेगा और लास्ट बिट को WR कंसिडर करेगा। अगर वो करेक्ट इनपुट आप दिए हैं, करेक्ट स्ट्रिंग दिए हैं, तो ये सेटिस्फाई करेगा ही करेगा, क्योंकि इसमें स्ट्रिंग वही बिलोंग कर रहा है जो WX WR है। अगर इस फॉर्म में स्ट्रिंग होगा तो हमेशा पहला बीट आपका जो है वो उसको आप अगर W कंसिडर करेंगे तो लास्ट बीट तो सेम होगा ही, रिवर्स है। और बाकी बीच में जितना भी बीट है आप सबको एक्स कंसिडर कर लीजिए, सबको एक्स कंसिडर कर लीजिए, आपका आंसर सेम हो, क्योंकि आप एक्स को कंसिडर कर सकते हैं कुछ भी। तो ये क्या हो गया ना, 1। अब इसका रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन भी दे सकते हैं, 1 0 1 1 1 और 0 0 1 1, सॉरी इट शुड बी 0। तो अगर 0 से स्टार्ट हुआ तो 0 से एंड होगा, अगर 1 से स्टार्ट हुआ तो 1 से एंड होगा, बीच में 0 1 का कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, ये एक्स कंसिडर कर ले रहा है। कुछ भी हो रहा है तो एक्स क्या कर रहा है, इट्स ईटिंग अप ऑल दी बिट्स ऑफ W फ्रॉम द सेकेंड बिट ऑनवर्ड एंड फ्रॉम द सेकेंड लास्ट बिट ऑफ WR। क्लियर है? रेस्ट यू कैन ट्राई दिस। चलिए बताइए ये क्या होगा। पहले W आएगा, फिर X आएगा, फिर W का रिवर्स आएगा, W 0 1 का कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, लेंथ ऑफ X is equal to 5. So first W, then X, then W reverse. Y can be any combination of 0 1, and restriction here is that length of X should be equal to 5. W W R Y W X W belongs to any combination of 0 1. See, it is saying that first W will come, then W reverse will come, and X is having the restriction that length is equal to 5. It means the problem here is that now you will not able to extend X. Here in the previous one you were able to extend X, just taking, but now always length of X is equal to 5. So whatever will be the W, you have to store it. You have to store it, and then only you will able to do the matching because it's 101. Okay, 5. X is always going to length 5, so you will not able to extend this x from here and here. So now you have to store w, then you have to match with w, so you require a memory for that, so it is not a regular. Okay, चलिए ये सभी का आंसर सही था. One is regular. Now the and the reason is here you can expand x and here you can expand y. What you will do, whatever string x take as 101, I am taking doing in next slide. Okay, you take always x as 101 and w as 001, then wr as 100 and y as 101. Okay, so you will write x w w r y. So x is your 101, then w is your 001, and then wr is going to 100, then 101. See, you know one thing, whenever it is going to be w, and when reverse will start, see, 001, then reverse 1, so this will come here. Last bit is going to be the start bit of the wr because it's a reverse. So what you will take, you will take this you have constructed by assuming this as x and assuming this as w and assuming this as wr and assuming this as y. Now what you will do, you assume everything, just leave the last bit of w as w and this will be the wr and take everything after that as y. It here always you will take from the last second bit everything as x, and from here from the second bit of wr you will take everything as y. Always you will take, and you just leave the two bit, one bit for w and another for wr. So it is like set of all string containing either 00 or 11 as a substring, and length of string should be equal to 4. So let me take another example. Now I am changing 100, then reverse is going to be 001. Okay, see, x is same 101, 101, then w is your 100, then reverse is 001, then 101. So 100, 101, then this you are taking now this as x, this as w, this as reverse, and everything as y. So it is like set of all string containing 00 or 11 as a substring, and length of all string is greater than equal to 4 is set of all string. So it is set of all string containing 00 or 11 as a substring, so it is set of all string containing 00 or 11 as a substring whose length is greater than equal to, ठीक है, x w w r y x y w belongs to 0 1 plus length of x equal to length of y equal to 5. x w w r. चलिए करेक्ट है, नॉट रेगुलर है, because now here you will not able to expand x and y because always its length should be equal to 5. Okay, now try this whether it is regular or not. Here if we take, here we can expand x, yeah, this is we can do. Now take one string x equal to x, you take 10 11 and w you take 101, then reverse will be 101. Now you will write 1x then w then wr. So you can expand x till this Now if you will assume this as W, this is not WR, because X and W belongs to 0 1 plus, so you require at least one bit to represent W and at least one bit to represent WR. Yeah, you can expand here, but here you are not getting that. Reverse is not. See, because here you should get 0 0 or 1 1, then only you can say that it's a reverse. Here W is 0 and WR is coming 1, so it is incorrect. पहले W आ रहा है, अगर W 0 है तो WR भी तो 0 होना चाहिए ना, लेकिन इसका रिवर्स तो यही है। जब लिख रहे हैं 101 फिर 101 ही हो रहा है। इतने दूर तक तो हम ले सकते हैं x को, लेकिन इससे W लेना पड़ेगा, इससे WR। तो एक्सपैंड करने के बाद हमें पैटर्न नहीं मिल रहा है वो कि हमेशा एंड विथ 1 1 ही होगा या 0 0 होगा, कभी 0 1 होगा, कभी 1 0 होगा, कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो WWR नहीं आ रहा है, WWRY, WY belongs to any combination of 0। यहाँ पे क्या है, आप जैसे W आप यहाँ बोला कि X और W 0 1 का प्लस होना चाहिए, ठीक है, 0 1 का प्लस होना चाहिए। तो आपको क्या है, आपको W कोई एक बिट तो आपको डिसाइड करना ही है, लेना ही होगा। तो आप क्या सोचेंगे क्या लूँ तो जिससे वो रेगुलर हो जाए, तो आप पहले एक सही है, फिर W है WR, तो आप ऐसे सोचेंगे कि WWR को तो स्टोर, W को तो स्टोर करना पड़ेगा, तभी उससे मैच कर सकते हैं। तो ऐसे तो नहीं होगा, तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं, एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं। देखते हैं कि चलो अगर मैं सब बिट को और उसके लास्ट बिट को छोड़ दूँ, क्योंकि एक बिट तो छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा, एक बिट तो छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा। तो क्या हो सकता है, एक बिट जब छोड़ रहे तो भी नहीं हो रहा था, एक बिट देखिए, दो बिट छोड़ना पड़ेगा, एक W के लिए छोड़ना पड़ेगा, एक WR के लिए, तब भी वो नहीं हो रहा है। ऐसे हमें करना करके देखना होगा, क्या मैं अगर सब चीज़ को कंसिडर कर लूँ दो बिट छोड़ के एक, तो क्या WWR आ रहा है, तो नहीं आ रहा था। सेम ऑल्सो फॉर दिस इट इज़ नॉट रेगुलर, same explanation. If you will expand here also you will not get the pattern whether it is ends with 0 0 or 1 1। Clear है क्या? WX belongs to 0 1 plus, हमने WX WR देखा था, अब मैं WX W कर रहा हूँ। W आएगा फिर X आएगा फिर W आना चाहिए। Now take W as 1 0 and X as 1 0 1। So first W will come 1 0, then X will come 1 0 1, then again 1 0 will come. It is not starts and ends with same symbol. It is not starts and end with same symbol. So here also, if you, this you have constructed by assuming this as W and this as W and this as X. Here also, if you expand the X, consider this. Now it is start, if 1 then 0. Sometimes 1 1, sometimes 1 0. You will not get the pattern here. If W will be 1 1, I will take W as 1 1 and X as 1 0 1, then it will work. So sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. So it is not a regular. If W is 1 0, then starts. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. So we are not having a pattern here. We can't say. We'll expand X also, then also we don't know whether it will ends with same symbol or different symbol, because everything may or may not be correct. Now next question is this. Now tell me this one, whether it is a regular or not. W, X, W. Now it's star. X, Y, X and W belongs to any combination of 0, 1. Previously it was having plus, now it is having a star. Any combination of 0, 1. Now it is having any combination of 0, 1. First W will come, then X will come, then again W will come. And now it is having, the first time I kept here star. It is having 0, 0 1 any combination including epsilon. In the previous one it was having plus. What I will do, you construct any string by assuming W as anything. You give me anything, W as 101. So it is regular. Regular is correct. Those who have given the regular, it is correct. Now check Y. W you are giving anything 101, I have taken. X you give me anything 1 1 1 1. Now again W will come 101. What I will do, I will always assume W as epsilon. I will always assume W as epsilon, and I will assume everything as X. Everything as X. So first W I have written, then this. So you construct any string by taking W as anything and X as anything and W. I will construct the whole string that you have constructed. I will assume as X, and I will assume always W as epsilon, because here I can consider, because it is 0 1 star, I can consider anything as epsilon. So it is like set of all string. It is like set of all string. It is like set of all string over 0 comma 1. It's a very tricky question. It is like set of all string over 0, means it is containing the regular expression 0 1 plus star, not same symbol. It is containing everything possible. You construct any string, I will always assume W as epsilon and X as all its combination, because I will always assume W as epsilon and everything I will consider as X. So it is like set of all string over 0 1 star. Okay. So for this, even if you give a FA, this is going to be the FA. All combination of 0 1 it is going to accept. Okay, so only 0. See, when it is having epsilon 0 1 0 1 1 0, here W epsilon, X epsilon, here W is always going to be epsilon in everywhere, and X, this I will consider X as 0, then X as 1, then X as 0 1, then X as 1 0. So it is like set of all string over 0 comma 1. So in GATE exam, what they do, they will give this question and they will ask you, if it is a regular language, then tell me in the minimal DFA how many states you will require. So if it is a regular language, first they will ask you whether it is a regular or not. If it is a regular, then tell me how many states you require in minimal DFA. So for in minimal DFA you require only one state. Now WX, WR, ये हमने देखे थे first example that we have seen, but here it was having plus. Now I will give as star. Now tell me whether it is a regular language or not. WX and WR, and WX belongs to any combination of 0. जब भी स्टार मिलेगा आप क्या कीजिए, हमेशा W को एप्सिलॉन ही कंसिडर कर लीजिए और सब चीज को X कंसिडर कर लीजिए। पर भी आप वही कीजिए ना, W को आप एप्सिलॉन कंसिडर कर लीजिए हमेशा, W को आप हमेशा एप्सिलॉन कंसिडर कर लीजिए। तो W एप्सिलॉन रिवर्स भी तो एप्सिलॉन ही होगा ना। तो यू कंसिडर एवरीथिंग एज X नाउ, whatever same explanation as the previous one. So it is also going to contain everything. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? देखिए स्टार रहने का यही है कि हम हमेशा W को एप्सिलॉन कंसिडर। देखिए इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस अभी तक गेट में नहीं आया है स्टार का, अब तक प्लस तक पूछे हैं वो, इसलिए मैं ये सब क्वेश्चंस करा रहा हूँ ताकि अगर वो पूछे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करने का तो आप लोग कर पाए। एक बार P स्टार, P is a prime. Now tell me whether it is a regular or not. तो प्राइम नंबर क्या क्या होता है? 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, 8, 9, 11, then 12, 13. 13 is prime. 13 is prime. Then 14, not 15, 16. चलिए अब देखिए मैं नंबर लिखता हूँ 1 4 5 6 7 8 9। रेगुलर लग रहा है क्योंकि ऊपर स्टार है, नॉट श्योर। ठीक है, देखते हैं हम लोग 8 9 10। इसके लिए हमें एक वी शुड नो दी सम formula about the language. Okay, means for number system we require some knowledge to solve this. Now see 1, it's a another prime, not it's 1, fine, leave it 1. 2, it's divisible by 2. 3, divisible by 3. 4, divisible by 2. 5, divisible by 5. 6, divisible by 2. 7 is here only. 8, divisible by 2, 9 divisible by 3, 10 divisible by 5, 11 is already here, 12 divisible by 2, 13 divisible by 13, 14 divisible by 2, 15 is divisible by 3, 16 is divisible by 2, 17 is divisible by 17, 18 is divisible by 2, 19 is a prime number which is not divisible, so 19, 20 divisible by 2. So if you see here, all natural number are prime number, all natural number are prime number, or it is divisible by, or it is divisible by, or it is divisible by, or it is divisible by prime number, or it is divisible by prime number, or you can say that multiple of prime number. Okay, so by prime number except 1, because natural number starts with 1 and start is not a prime number. Okay, so if you take any natural number, so it is going to be either a prime number, or it is divisible by prime number, or it is a multiple of prime number. Okay, first tell me whether this is clear or not. E is a prime, so it's going to A2 star, then it is going to A3 star, then it is going to A5 star, then it is going to A6 star, then it is going to, not A6, A5, then A7 star, then it's going to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, A11 star, then 12, not 13, A13 star, then 17, then 19, like this. So like this it will keep on going. Now see, since it is having a star, epsilon is there, single A is not there, because from all this combination we will not able to generate single A. Yeah, it is a regular language. Okay, regular hai. Now A2 you will get, then from here you can get A3, then A2 if you will write 2 times you will get A4, then you will get A5, from here you will get A5, then A6 you will, from A2 if you write 3 times you will get A6. So you know that all natural number are either a multiple of A, multiple of prime number, so all the prime numbers are here, or either it is a prime number or it is a multiple of prime number. So you are going to get all number of A, like A6, then A7, prime number is already here, then A8, if you write A2 4 times you will get A8, A9 you will write in A9 3 times, A3 3 times you will get A9, then A10 how you will get, if you write A5 2 times, A11 prime number, so from A11 star you will get A11, A12 you write A2 6 times you will get A12, A13 prime number, from this you will get A13 star, then A13, then A14 you will get by writing A2 7 times, because it is star you can take A2 any combination, A15 you will get A5 3 times, then A16 you can write how you can get, when you write A2 8 times, A16 you will get, then A17 how you can get A17, from here A17 star, then A18 how, A2, so you will get here any number of A except one A, means A1 is not here, and except everything is there, so it is like A star minus A. From in A star only A is not there, because A1 I am not able to generate, because prime number is not having 1 in it. Prime number is not having 1 in it. Am I clear? So A is not there. except it is having any combination of a. प्लस के लिए देखेंगे उसमें एप्सिलॉन सिर्फ नहीं होता, धीरे धीरे ही बता रहा हूँ। अब देखिए सिंपल स्टेप बाय स्टेप कीजिए किसी को। देखिए ये सब तो डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है, ये पहली बार में नहीं होता है। मैं खुद जब पहली बार किया था तो देखिए ठीक है मैं तो कर लेता हूँ क्योंकि मेरा बहुत एक्सपीरियंस हो गया है, लेकिन आप क्या है देखिए फर्स्ट टाइम अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट पढ़ेंगे तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा। देखिए अगर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट को अगर मैं किसी को दूँ तो उसे थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा। और ये सब मतलब इजी क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ठीक है। प्राइम नंबर लिखिए जो है, फिर उसका स्टार कीजिए। आपने देखा कि जो भी नंबर है वो क्या होगा, या फिर प्राइम नंबर होगा या फिर डिविजिबल होगा प्राइम नंबर से। क्लियर हो रहा है क्या? तो इसलिए हम सारे नंबर को जनरेट कर पा रहे हैं। क्लियर है क्या? मैं करा रहा हूँ ना क्लास में, आप वो घर पे जाके भी प्रैक्टिस करो, सिर्फ छोड़ मत दो, उसे घर में भी करो, देखना ठीक हो जाएगा कॉन्सेप्ट। जो मैं करा रहा हूँ उसी को अभी करो सिर्फ। मैं तो सब कुछ ही क्लियर करूँगा, मैं तो बोला ही हूँ कि एवरी कॉन्सेप्ट, इवन प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, एवरीथिंग आई एम गोइंग टू कवर। तो मैं जो करा रहा हूँ उसी को सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, एक फेयर नोट्स बनाइए, तो बिकॉज इन लेटर यू कैन रिवाइज दैट, सब क्लियर हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और आप लोग हमसे देखिए डाउट रहे तो आप मुझे सोशल मीडिया में कांटेक्ट कर लीजिए, लिंक्डइन में मैं हूँ, ठीक है। अब मेरे से डाउट, क्योंकि देखिए टेलीग्राम में क्या हुआ कि मैं आप लोग को मैसेज नहीं कर पाऊंगा या फिर आप लोग हमें मैसेज नहीं कर पाएंगे, ठीक है। टेलीग्राम में जो चैनल का ग्रुप है, तो आपको डाउट रहे तो आप मेरे से लिंक्डइन में कनेक्ट हो जाइए, ठीक है, ठीक है। बाकी लोग जो कनेक्टेड नहीं है लिंक्डइन में कनेक्ट हो जाइए। उसके बाद हाँ एफबी में मैं हूँ, सेम सूरज प्रसाद शॉ। देखिए खोजना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा मुझे, कुछ लोग मेरे से कनेक्ट हुए हैं, सो यू कैन कनेक्ट, यू कैन गेट द डिटेल्स फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड्स, दे आर हैविंग माई डिटेल्स, यू कैन कनेक्ट विद देम। कनेक्ट क्वेश्चन कम है, नाउ वी विल गिव ए फाइनाइट ऑटोमाटा फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। हाउ टू गिव ए फाइनाइट ऑटोमाटा फॉर दिस? If Salon belongs to the language, so accepted. Now by getting a, no need to accept. After, अच्छा पहले आप लोग बनाइए इसका फाइनाइट ऑटोमाटा, बनाइए आप लोग for this language construct a finite automata. So on getting a here, now by getting a events, correct, ये आंसर है। सिंगल ए नॉट एक्सेप्टेड, डबल ए एक्सेप्टेड, आफ्टर दैट एनी कॉम्बिनेशन है। हाँ कर दीजिए आप, एनी नंबर ऑफ ए एक्सेप्टेड।